Why Elon Musk's insane Cybertruck is genius. When Elon Musk unveils a new product, it always draws a lot of attention. Tesla is, without a doubt, the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck, a very contentious pickup truck, on November 21st, 2019. Some may say that Tesla did not do any market research before releasing this vehicle, which may lead to the company's demise. However, there has always been a sizable number of detractors who question the use of market research. Trust me when I say that you are not the only one who is still puzzling why and how the Tesla Cybertruck looks the way it does, and it's quite probable that you have previously read about it. Tesla's Cybertruck is a brilliant concept that was unveiled in November of this year. It's an all-electric pickup truck made of stainless steel. The truck's glass was destroyed when its main designer struck it with a metal ball during its launch. Despite making Elon Musk famously curse under his breath, Cybertruck pre-orders reached an unprecedented 250,000 within a week of its launch, witnessing an explosion of interest devoid of advertising. Musk, the Tesla founder, revealed that he wants Cybertruck to be a leader when it comes to consumer-use trucks. Now listen as I explain why Elon Musk's insane Cybertruck is genius. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be alerted whenever we release a new video. As with everything new and strange, public opinion is usually divided, but that isn't the case with this Tesla masterstroke. Whether you despise or like it, Cyber is a game changer. It is definitely meant to be one of the top business and consumer trucks on the market, particularly in the near future. So let's talk about it. Features: self-leveling suspension adapts for varied loads, and all-wheel drive is available on select versions. Onboard power inverters deliver both 120 and 240 volt energy, enabling power tools to be used without the necessity of a portable generator. An air compressor is provided to power pneumatic tools. Bullet-resistant stainless steel sheet metal is used on the outside. Tesla Autopilot will be standard on all cars, as well as the hardware necessary for fully autonomous driving. As of 2019, Musk has said that a solar roof option would be available, which will add 15 miles of range each day. Tesla began accepting Cybertruck pre-orders with a $100 payment in November 2019 and offered a $10,000 full self-driving option. Tesla said in 2019 that the Cybertruck's EPA range would be between 250 and 500 miles, 400 and 800 kilometers, depending on configuration choices. Interior: the prototype's interior included a 17-inch center display, seating for 6 people in 2 bench seats, with a fold-down center armrest in the front middle seat, a digital rear-view camera-based mirror, a racing car-style steering yoke, and a dashboard with marble-like surface. The center seat in the back lowers down to facilitate loading of lengthy freight from the vault into the cab, enclosed lockable bed. The debut prototype vehicle's marble appearance dashboard was built of a paper composite material comprised of paper, wood-based fibers, natural wood colors, and non-petroleum-based resins. The vehicle's bed is 6.5 feet, 2 meters long, and it looks like a standard pickup truck bed with a tailgate. To increase the vehicle's aerodynamics, it incorporates sloping sidewalls and an incorporated motorized roller shutter type tonneau cover. Tesla refers to this 100 cubic foot, 2.8 M3 enclosed chamber as devoid because of the added security it offers. While one report indicates that lengthy freight may flow via a pass-through to the cabin, the prototype on exhibit has no such aperture in the front of the bed. In a tweet, Elon Musk said that the cabin's temperature control would be accessible in the vault for activities like camping. A ramp that extends from the tailgate to the ground for loading freight is one feature seen on the prototype, but not expressly mentioned. Design: in September 2020, a variety of Tesla cars, including the Cybertruck, will be on exhibit. The Cybertruck was inspired by Blade Runner and the Lotus Esprit piloted by James Bond in The Spy Who Loved Me, which functioned as a submersible, according to Musk. Because a regular vehicle chassis would interfere with the underfloor battery pack, the Cybertruck employs unibody construction, dubbed an exoskeleton by Tesla, similar to most passenger cars, rather than the body-on-frame design characteristic of trucks. Its body panels are made of exceptionally thick 3mm, 18-inch, 30X series cold-rolled stainless steel, which cannot be stamped like traditional vehicle components. The panels can only be bent in straight lines, creating a unique faceted form that has been dubbed low poly or compared to origami. Because it distributes stress more uniformly and allows for the greater inner room, this is the same material that SpaceX, also owned by Musk, employs on their Starship rocket. The outside panels of the Cybertruck were originally designed to be made of titanium, but this was eventually changed to stainless steel for added strength using an alloy created in-house by Tesla. Specifications: the two-motor all-wheel drive version's powertrain is comparable to that of the 2019 and subsequent Raven, Tesla Model S, and Model X, which all include an inductive rear motor, and the Model 3's permanent magnet front motor. Single-motor rear-wheel drive and tri-motor with one front and two rear motors are two more options. The Cybertruck, like other Tesla models, may be pre-ordered with a full self-driving software update, which adds $10,000 to the price of the configuration. Reasons why Cybertruck's design appears to be awesome 1 week after. Many people believed Tesla's Cybertruck design was a joke when it was introduced last week. Many people considered the truck's design was stupid and childish in its simplicity, since it was made up of a limited number of flat surfaces. The Cybertruck Flip, branding genius. Flipping the Cybertruck, thousands of individuals are beginning to encounter a peculiar time. A heritage auto truck seems to be decent, typical, and sturdy at first glance, just what you expect a truck to look like. The Cybertruck has a strange and intriguing appearance. Angular, startling form gives a magnificent panoramic all-glass cabin experience, ideal for soaking in the scenery in an autonomous vehicle. The more you think about the Cybertruck, the more you envision yourself in one. All of a sudden, all of the old gas-powered vehicles seem to be obsolete, and the Cybertruck appears to represent the future. This is a brilliant branding move. Aerodynamic genius, unmatched range. Trucks are among the least aerodynamic and fuel-efficient automobiles available. The Cybertruck does not seem to be any different from other trucks, simply because France is a massive troll. The goal of this electric truck's design from the outset was to increase range while minimizing drag. The open bed is one of the most significant drag factors for a truck. A motorized tonneau cover that can be readily opened and closed solves this problem and is more useful in an autonomous environment. The vehicle's whole form is designed to optimize range, not merely to appear odd. Take a look at the figures. The Rivian R1T, the closest electric truck rival, can go 400 miles for $69,000. The Cybertruck, which cost $69,000, can go 500 miles or more. Creative pricing. An EV truck priced to kill. Not only are the materials and design simpler to set up for manufacturing, but they're also less expensive to produce. The vehicle's exoskeleton design means that rather than being worthless luggage, the vehicle's body serves as its structural structure. Paint isn't required, which saves a lot of money and time during manufacture. We have another condition that is more crucial than appearing like a polluting truck. It must be priced to kill, and Cybertruck's design does this. People expected ticket prices to start around $50,000 going into the event. The Cybertruck might pique curiosity at that pricing range, but it would be viewed as far more costly than a traditional polluting gas truck. Starting at $39,900, the Cybertruck is expected to compete on pricing with other vehicles with comparable features. Brilliant positioning. This is not a cannibal. One of the major drawbacks of announcing a Cybertruck at the same price range as the Model 3 and Model Y is that customers may choose to wait for a Cybertruck instead of purchasing a Model 3 or Model Y today. Tesla would go out of business if consumers stopped purchasing its vehicles today in the hopes of getting a better one tomorrow. As a result, a key aim of the design is to be distinct enough to generate demand distinct from that of the Model 3 or Model Y. Cannibalism would have been a lot greater problem if it had looked like truckle. However, many individuals will continue to select Model 3 and Model Y today due to their bizarre, futuristic, and divisive style. The vehicle designs are distinct enough that you could choose one over the other, depending on your needs. Perhaps you want both. People will continue to purchase your current vehicles while your future cars grow on them, which is the wisdom of having a design that is out there and takes time to grow on you. Tesla, you did a fantastic job. As stated at the start of the video, it is a stroke of brilliance by all accounts. What else distinguishes it? Are you aware of the Cybertruck? Do you think that's the coolest truck ever? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you liked it, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.